One of the fastest growing real estate companies, eXp Realty, has truly changed our lives as well as countless other real estate agents. But what's a day in the life of a realtor like when they're realtors with eXp Realty? Hey there and welcome to our channel. We're Kelly and Bruce Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. eXp Realty is one of the world's fastest growing real estate brokerages, and it's known for its unique cloud-based model and highly competitive compensation packages. A day in the life of a realtor working at eXp Realty is fast-paced and fun, so keep watching as we unravel the secrets of our day-to-day life. Also, make sure to stay with us until the end because we've got some special insights that might just pique your interest. So without any further ado, let's get going. Let's start with our mornings. How you start your day has a huge impact on your life. So much so that your whole day depends on it. And eXp reminds us to start early, which for us is around 6:30, maybe 6 for him. But that gives us a jump on planning our day, and that's key, which you'll learn about in just a minute. Communication is the most important thing we focus on, and staying on top of emails and messages ensures that we're always in the loop and responsive to our clients' needs. That's what we do first. When we've reached out to everyone we needed to from the previous day, it's time to really start finding people who are interested in buying or selling. And this is our counseling time with people. After a couple of hours of calls and real estate discussions and setting property showings, we're ready to get out and go for appointments that we've set the day before or days before. And this happens daily, but not always in the morning, as you know if you are a real estate agent. This should be a typical start to the day for most real estate agents, but here's where eXp Realty really helps us shine and outsmart everyone else. Many times a week, we're busy training, teaching, mentoring, and attending national real estate Zoom meetings to keep us in touch with what's going on in our real estate industry. eXp has opened up worldwide collaboration channels for us to connect with the best of the best real estate agents, teams, and brokers to gain insight to changes, best practices, ensuring that we're always on top of our game to help our clients win. And thanks to eXp and the agent support that we've received, we also host our own national Zoom mastermind weekly called Empire Masterminds, where we get to train, teach, and explore new products and offerings and share best practices and discuss new strategies to help our clients grab their real estate dream. And this is just the start of our day.
Our organizational skills are the key to making our clients a priority. eXp provides us with exceptional digital organizational tools like calendars, a CRM, task management apps, automated reminders, and targeted digital advertising, and client communication to help us stay top of mind with our clients when they need us the most, when they're thinking about a real estate move. Now, while this schedule sounds like it's set in stone and your clients may be wondering how they fit in, eXp sets us up to be flexible and agile in our schedules. When clients call us, they don't get shoved off to somebody they don't know to help them. They get Kelly or me every time. So if there's a home they need to see right away, we've got them covered. If they want to write an offer on a home they just saw with us, let's do it. Their time is the most important thing to us, and making sure we're timely in everything we do comes first.
The rest of the day is just as jam-packed and fun as the mornings are. Being associated with eXp Realty gives us so many cool and massively useful tools that it's really like having an unfair advantage over all of the other brokerages that will help our clients win. And speaking of winning, here is a huge one. As our clients selling their home, eXp Realty has our own internal off-market listing service, which is worldwide. What's that mean for our clients? Well, immediate exposure for their home to over 90,000 eXp agents immediately before their home officially hits the local market. Organizing and managing all the paperwork can also be a horribly daunting task. And as eXp Realtors, we use a systematic approach to keep everything in order. They've created a system that maintains a separate file for every single client, including all relevant documents related to their transaction. This digitally stores and manages their documents, which makes it a heck of a lot easier to search and retrieve them when we need them later. And so regular audits and cleanups ensure that all files are up to date and unnecessary documents are discarded. And this system not only helps us stay organized, but it also ensures that we're prepared if there's any potential audits or disputes. And then our afternoons are jam-packed again with home showings, client meetings, either in person or virtually, writing offers, making referrals, marketing, and planning for the future. And our day ends, well, wait a minute, it really never ends because we're here for our clients when they need us, and we're really on call nights, weekends, and when they're not working, because that's what we do.
So why did we move to eXp Realty? After 17 years with our previous brokerage, it took us a while to pull the trigger and move, a couple of years to be exact. We found an agent we knew well and trusted to give us the true story about the benefits and opportunities eXp had to offer. And that was it. A zero debt company with an amazingly smart business leader who not only owns the company along with his agents, but works inside the company on a daily basis, innovating and driving it forward at light speed, offering stock options to agents to become company owners and not rent their business from their current brokerage anymore, and offering an opportunity to build passive wealth by helping the company grow and retain great agents. eXp Realty operates on a cloud-based platform which offers a level of flexibility and accessibility that traditional brick and mortar brokerages can't match. This means we can work from anywhere at any time, giving us the freedom to balance our work with every other aspect of our life. At eXp Realty, even though we work from different places, we're still connected. We have the support group of fellow agents worldwide who share their experiences and knowledge for free. Don't pay for training anymore. The top 1% of the agents at eXp are the ones training. They are the top producers in our current market and know what it takes to win.
The best of the best are teaching you.
We'll also put our rewards of stock ownership for the business we do up against all other brokerages. Congratulations of ribbons, certificates, trophies, and medals, because we've got something tangible building our future wealth. The other stuff, it just collects dust.
And I hate dusting. Now, your bonus tip. Let me tell you about the agility eXp Realty has to quickly help their agents comply with changing and local national laws. Correct paperwork is a critical component of every real estate transaction. And in today's world, change is happening quicker than ever. We need to have immediate brokerage support to keep us and our clients safe when it comes to their real estate transactions. eXp Realty is a cloud-based system, which means it is the most agile and fast-acting brokerage on the planet. So from changes of forms to constant and consistent communication of important legal information, eXp Realty is a leader. And we all have questions, right? When was the last time you had an issue? We all have them, and sometimes we just don't know where to go. Maybe it's compliance. Maybe it's something for your broker, or heaven forbid, maybe you need to talk to the legal department. How long is it actually going to take? It could be days, it could be weeks, and maybe you still don't even get the answer. Well, this communication is available to eXp agents daily and within minutes.
That's cool.
It's awesome. So if you would like to know more about eXp Realty and the experience here, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on future videos, and follow us on all of our socials. And if you liked this video, then make sure to hit the like button and click on all the other boxes on our screen to see our other videos too. And if you put a comment or a question down below, we'll make sure that we answer them. I'm Kelly Domaille.
And I'm Bruce Domaille.
At Domaille Real Estate. We love where we live, and we want you to love where you live too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.